Hey there, city slickers. You think you know Tokyo? Think again. This city's got more secrets than a ninja warrior training camp. We're talking about a hidden world miles below the neon lights and sushi restaurants. It's a massive underground cavern, and it's about to blow your mind. Forget skyscrapers. Tokyo's going subterranean. This isn't some dusty old basement. We're talking about a network of tunnels so big you could fit a whole amusement park down there. And trust me, it's way more exciting than a ride on the bullet train. So buckle up, adventure seekers. We're about to take a deep dive into Tokyo's underground world. Get ready to explore the engineering marvels, the surprising benefits, and maybe even encounter a giant robot or two. Just kidding, or am I? Building a city beneath a city is no walk in the park. It takes serious grit, determination, and some seriously big drills. Imagine the toughest construction crew you've ever seen, armed with cutting-edge technology that could make a diamond blush. These underground heroes are working tirelessly, carving out massive spaces beneath Tokyo's bustling streets. They're battling tricky soil conditions, dodging subway lines, and probably encountering a few curious sewer rats along the way. But these guys are pros. They're using special techniques to reinforce the tunnels and make sure everything stays safe and sound. Think of it like building a super strong underground bunker, but instead of hiding from the world, Tokyo's using it to become even more awesome. Now, you might be wondering, why all the fuss about going underground? It's a fair question, especially in a city as bustling and vibrant as Tokyo. Well, Tokyo's got a space problem. With its ever-growing population and limited land area, finding new space is a constant challenge. It's like trying to fit a giant panda into a phone booth. The city is bursting at the seams. With limited land and a growing population, the city needs to get creative. Traditional expansion isn't an option, so they're thinking vertically, downwards. That's where this underground cavern comes in. It's a bold and innovative solution to Tokyo's space dilemma. It's like giving the entire city a basement makeover. But instead of storing old holiday decorations, they're using it for some seriously cool stuff. Imagine the possibilities. We're talking about flood control, energy storage, and much more. These underground spaces are designed to be multifunctional, even underground parks and shopping malls. These spaces are not just practical, but also designed to enhance urban life. Imagine strolling through a lush garden, sunlight streaming in from above, while a typhoon rages on the surface. It's a serene escape from the chaos above. Or catching the latest blockbuster movie in an underground cinema, safe from the summer heat. It's a whole new way to experience the city. That's the kind of future Tokyo's building, and it's looking pretty awesome. The city is redefining urban living, one underground space at a time. Tokyo's not just digging a big hole for the fun of it, although that would be pretty cool. This underground cavern has a purpose, and it's not just about escaping the crowds on the Yamanote line. Think of it like a giant underground Swiss Army knife, ready to tackle any challenge that comes Tokyo's way. From natural disasters to energy demands, this cavern is designed to make the city more resilient, sustainable, and downright futuristic. Imagine a city that can withstand the fiercest typhoons, power itself with renewable energy, and offer its citizens a haven from the hustle and bustle above. That's the vision behind Tokyo's underground expansion, and it's a vision worth getting excited about. Flood fighters, keeping Tokyo high and dry. Tokyo's no stranger to a little rain, but when those typhoons roll in, things can get a little hairy. That's where the underground cavern comes in, like a superhero in a hard hat, ready to save the day. This cavern acts like a giant underground sponge, soaking up excess rainwater and keeping the city high and dry. It's like a massive drainage system on steroids, designed to prevent flooding and keep Tokyo's streets safe and operational, even during the worst downpours. So, next time you're strolling through Shibuya Crossing and the skies open up, don't panic. Just remember, there's a whole underground army working hard to keep your feet dry. It's like having a secret weapon against Mother Nature's tantrums. Power Up, the electric company's new hideout. Remember those power outages that always seem to happen at the worst possible time? When you're in the middle of an important task or just trying to relax and suddenly everything goes dark. Well, Tokyo's got a plan for that too, and it involves going underground. This innovative approach is set to revolutionize how the city handles its energy needs. That's right, the city's turning its underground cavern into a giant battery pack. Imagine a massive storage unit right beneath your feet. ready to supply power whenever it's needed. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are great, but they can be a bit finicky. They depend heavily on weather conditions, which can be unpredictable. Sometimes the sun doesn't shine and the wind doesn't blow. On those days, renewable energy generation can fall short of the city's demands. That's where energy storage comes in, and Tokyo's Cavern is the perfect place to store it. By harnessing this underground space, the city can ensure a steady supply of power. Think of it like a giant underground power bank, keeping the city juiced up and ready to go, even when the elements aren't cooperating. This system acts as a buffer, storing excess energy when production is high and releasing it when needed. It's a smart, sustainable solution that'll keep Tokyo's lights on and its gadgets charged no matter what. With this innovative energy storage system, Tokyo is setting a new standard for urban resilience and sustainability. Chill out, underground tunnels beat the heat. Tokyo in the summer can be a scorcher, but fear not, sweaty citizens, the underground cavern is here to cool things down, literally. These underground spaces are naturally cooler than the surface, making them the perfect place to escape the heat. Imagine underground shopping malls where you can browse for the latest fashions without breaking a sweat. Or underground parks where you can enjoy a picnic lunch in the shade, surrounded by lush greenery. It's like having a built-in air conditioner for the entire city. But it's not just about comfort. This underground cooling system can also help reduce the city's reliance on energy-guzzling air conditioning, making Tokyo greener and more sustainable. It's a win-win for everyone. City of the future. What's next for underground Tokyo? Tokyo's underground cavern is more than just a construction project. It's a glimpse into the future of urban living. As cities around the world grapple with population growth, climate change, and resource scarcity, Tokyo's innovative approach offers a beacon of hope. Imagine underground farms growing fresh produce year-round, reducing the city's reliance on long-distance transportation, or underground data centers keeping the internet humming along, safe from the elements. The possibilities are endless. Tokyo's underground expansion is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and thrive in even the most challenging environments. It's a reminder that the future is what we make it, and sometimes the best solutions lie beneath the surface. Tunnels, trains, and tourists? Now, I know what you're thinking. All this talk of underground caverns and futuristic cities sounds pretty cool, but what about the tourists? Don't worry, Tokyo hasn't forgotten about its visitors. Imagine hopping on a glass-bottomed train that whisks you through the illuminated tunnels, giving you a glimpse into the city's hidden world. Or taking a guided tour of the underground cavern, learning about its history, construction, and future potential. Tokyo's underground expansion isn't just about practicality. It's also an opportunity to create unique and unforgettable experiences for residents and visitors alike. It's a chance to showcase the city's innovative spirit and its commitment to sustainability. Could your city use an underground makeover? Tokyo's underground cavern is a bold and ambitious project, showcasing the potential of subterranean spaces. But it also begs the question, could other cities benefit from a similar approach? Could they transform their urban landscapes by going underground? As urban populations continue to grow and resources become increasingly scarce, the need for innovative solutions becomes more pressing. The answer is a resounding yes. Cities around the world can indeed benefit from an underground makeover. Imagine a world where underground spaces are used to alleviate traffic congestion, provide affordable housing, and reduce the strain on surface-level infrastructure. These spaces could also become vibrant cultural hubs, hosting events, cafes, and artistic venues that bring communities together. Imagine cities that are more resilient, sustainable, and livable, thanks to the innovative use of underground space. These developments could lead to greener, more eco-friendly urban environments. With modern underground infrastructures, city planners and architects can create spaces that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and innovative. Tokyo's underground cavern is a shining example of what's possible when we think outside the box and embrace innovative solutions. It demonstrates the potential for engineering marvels beneath our feet. It's a call to action for cities around the world to explore the potential of the underground and create a more sustainable and livable future for all. By reimagining our urban spaces, we can build cities that are better equipped to face the challenges of tomorrow. Tokyo's underground, A deep dive success. So there you have it, folks. We've explored the depths of Tokyo's underground cavern, from its massive scale and impressive engineering to its potential to transform the city and inspire the world. It's a story of innovation, resilience, and a commitment to creating a better future. As Tokyo continues to dig deep and push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing's for sure: this city's got a bright future ahead of it, both above and below ground. So next time you're in Tokyo, take a moment to appreciate the hidden world beneath your feet. You never know what wonders you might discover. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Bye.